Okay, this is a room tour of room 9638, and this is a junior suite. Again, this is 9638. This is a junior suite on 9638, Independence of the Seas. Just give you a quick overview of the room. Nice large room. All right. So let's just have a quick look at the room. Quickly here, just looking at the map, you can see that we are located real quickly by the elevators and the stairs there. Great location to just get quickly in and out of your room. And to the stairs, we are on deck 9, and the muster station is on deck 4, C20. And if you look at the map here, the muster station's right there. Real easy to get to. We got on deck 4. And actually, we got on deck 4 and we went just right to the other side of the ship. And they already had the people out there for the muster station. And we went right out there and got that taken care of. And that was over with quickly, very quickly upon getting on the ship. As you come into the room on the left-hand side, we have the closet. And it's a really nice sized closet. Got the robes, lots of hangers. Let me back out here a little bit so that you can see the size of the closet. It's a nice walk-in closet. So you've got lots of room to put the luggage. Lots of room here to get everything out of the way of the room. Some shelving. So that's nice. And then as you walk into the room on the right hand side, you have the bathroom. You got the one sink. So this is a junior suite. In the grand suites you generally have 2 sinks, but this is a junior suite, so you have the one sink. But you do have, what's nice in the junior suite that's not in the regular rooms, is you do have a tub and shower combination. So you can get in here and have a full shower every day. You do have also the amenities. So you have body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. So that's nice to have that. It is a nice bathroom for the junior suite. And you also do have the shelving and stuff that you can put things inside. So that works real good. Lots of place to put your items. There is a little bit of a lip right here, so you do want to make sure that you step up, you don't trip. There is a little bit of lip getting out also, but that is the bathroom. Nice bathroom, a little bit extra space. You also have a full-length mirror here as you walk in the room, and here you have the 2 double beds put together for a nice big queen or king size bed, however you want to define it. And the sofa is closer to the balcony. Lots of room here, if you can see that, lots of room. And then as you're inside, you come inside the room, we have on the left-hand side a lot of storage here. You have this storage area here, lots of shelving, and you do have the safe. I believe it's a nice size safe. Nothing too big. You could probably get an iPad or something like that, but you place your wallet and your passports and everything inside there. You have a nice vanity area here to get ready. And it does also, I think, also have lights around the mirror. Plenty of lighting to help you get ready. And lots of drawers for putting stuff in. And I will also say too that there is the blow dryer, and it is a blow dryer that you do not have to keep your thumb on to keep it on. So it looks like it's a nice blow dryer for those that need to have the blow dryer. You do have your 2 outlets right here. You do have the European outlet over here. And that's going to be it for the outlets that I see. Over here you have the Lavazza coffee machine and a pot for the hot water, the TV, and down here, of course, you have the quote-unquote refrigerator / cooler. It's really just a cooler. That you can see / cooler. Keep everything in there and keep it cool. Not freezing cold, but it does a good job. You have a chair with a little ottoman here, a little table. In some rooms that we've been in, you have this little curtain here for privacy. Personally, it looks like it only comes about that far. We've had in other rooms where the rail will go the full length and the privacy of the curtain could be the full length of the room or the full width of the room, but in this particular room that doesn't happen. I do see the phone on this side of the bed, and I do see what looks like USB port right there. So if that's helpful for anybody, you do have that. You do have the lights with the bed. Again, the sofa, and of course, I always like here in the Junior Suite, you get a little bit extra window and daylight, natural light to come in with the extra window that's on the side there, and then we can walk right out here outside on the balcony, and we are at the Port of Miami. This is the Independence of the Seas, so we are at the Port of Miami, so we have a great big balcony out here, great size. Let's give you a view of the balcony and the port real quick. We are facing out towards leaving the Port of Miami. It's a beautiful day. I don't know if we can squeeze in just a little bit down there. So you can see how beautiful the port is today. This is going to be a great place to just watch sail away right here on your balcony. And let's just give you an overview of the balcony. We have these 2 chairs with a nice sized table. Great place to have morning coffee or breakfast in the morning. And come over here to this corner. We have 2 lounge chairs also. So, and there's lots of shade. I'm going to take you up here. There's lots of shade. We have quite the overhang here. So there is quite the shade that we already have. So we have the 2 lounge chairs. Let's see if I come over here and again show you these 2 chairs. Get another little look out here. And again, this is a junior suite, just looking back inside the room here. This is a junior suite. Room 9638 on Independence of the Seas. And out of the Port of Miami at the moment, but this is, I think, the last cruise at the moment before it heads over on a cross-Atlantic cruise. Nice room.